challenge. Now, if 10 weeks scares you, replace weeks with months. Okay? Are you ready to take the challenge? Type in yes if you're ready to take the challenge in the chat. All right, now here's my disclaimer. Just in case you're skeptical, this is just an example to show the compensation plan mechanics. No income is suggested or guaranteed. Any income that may be earned will vary from person to person and depends on many factors. Okay, this is just to show mechanics on how it works, okay? So you have a working knowledge. So let's take it, again, you can take week, month, whatever your time horizon is, but we'll use week here, okay? Let's just say you're at the Vertex Live product level, which is the 2,500 level. Every sale makes $2,000, okay? You bring in your first person, right? The first person now goes to you, which is $2,000. That's key. Think of this for a second. This is why the risk is like almost non-existent. Can you find one person, right? So if one person finds one person, finds one person, finds one person, right? All of those people have a free business because it's all going underneath each other. See what I'm saying? That first person who finds one. The key in this program is for you to find two and help them find two, right? And if you want to make it even simpler, find one, help them find two, because you're going to get the second person. Find one, help them find two, then find another one, help them find two. You do that simple process, you will have no problem making money. Okay? So your first sale pays you $2,000. That's $2,000 to you. Week number 2, right? Your second sale is a pass up to your sponsor, so you don't make any money on your second sale. Bummer, right? You feel like, oh, I just lost $2,000. No, wait until the end. Okay? That's your qualifying sale. Now, the third person pays you $2,000. Good luck, you've made $4,000. Now, in week number 4, the fourth person pays you $2,000. You've made $6,000. Week number 5, again, you get it right, $8,000. Week number 6, and this is just one person a week or a month, whatever your time horizon is, you made $10,000. Week number 7, you made $12,000 in less than 2 months. Would $12,000 change your life? Absolutely, right? Week number 8, you've made $14,000. Week number 9, you've made $16,000. And your 10-week challenge, week number 10, you've made $18,000. Now, that would be great if that's all you made. But the mechanics of the compensation plan say that all the people that you bring in, when they bring in their second person, who's going to get it? You are going to get it. Okay, so there's more. Okay, what if your personally sponsored members did the same? Add $2,000 for every second sale pass up you receive. So again, here you go. You have 10 people. I'm sorry, 9 sales, right? Because the second one passes up. They find 3, 1 goes up to you. They find 3, 1 goes up to you. They find 3, 1 goes up to you, right? It's because the second one is going up. Really, they don't even have to find 3. They find 2 because one of them is going up to you. And that happens over and over and over and over and over and over again. So, and plus now all the people that pass up to you as a second sale, when they bring in their second sale, they're going to go to you too. So even if the people are a pass up to you, see all the number 2s here? These are pass ups, okay? Treat them as if you personally sponsor them, because when they bring in their second sale, you're going to get them too. And it keeps on multiplying laterally, not down, but laterally, okay? That's the power of the pass up. It's like finding money. It's like finding a $1,000 bill or $2,000 bill in your pocket. You know how good it feels when you find a $20 bill you don't expect? Well, imagine if you had a $2,000 bill, right, in your pocket. That's how great this is. So now at the same time, you can also sell all the other products, because every product below the one you buy is included, and you don't have to give a pass up either. You only give the pass up at the product level you join. So the $1,000 level, 500, 250, 125, you keep everything. Everything, because not everybody's going to come into 2,000. I understand that. So when you're sponsoring people, you're going to get a 500, 1,000, a 100, 25, a 25, a 25, a 25, 100, a 500, 1,000, 250, right? And sprinkle in a few 2,000s there, right? You keep all of that with no pass ups, because you only give the pass up at the product level you join. Very important.